Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to get apps on old iOS devices that are incompatible with the latest version of the app. Now sometimes it'll just let you download the older version, but sometimes it won't. So this won't get the most up-to-date version of the app, but it will get a version that might be fairly up-to-date depending on how old the incompatible device is. So to do this, you will need, of course, the incompatible device and then also a compatible device. So, you have to, have the same Apple ID on both too. But if you have a newer device and an older one, you can do it with the same Apple ID. You can also sign in on a different device if you don't have one that is compatible or something like that. You can maybe sign in on somebody else's with your Apple ID. And anyway, so first of all, you want to go to the App Store on the incompatible device and find the app that you want to get. So here I have Google Slides. I'm just using this as an example here. But if we go to get and install right now, it will say Google Slides is not compatible with this iPhone. And that is the problem. So we can't get this normally on this iPhone. But if we come down here, we can see the iOS version that it requires. If your other device is running this version or later, then you will be able to do this. So you want to get your other device and find the same app on it. So what you want to do is basically just install the app on the other device, but normally you'll see get here, but you just go get and then you touch ID or enter your password for your Apple ID, and then you can just delete the app before it completely installs if you'd like to, but that's just up to you. So basically you just want to purchase the app on the other device. Now go back to the incompatible device and then find your purchase area, normally under the updates, and then you go to purchased. Now you tap on the little download arrow here. Enter your Apple ID password if prompted. You will get this pop-up asking you if you want to download the last compatible version. You just tap download and this will download here and install on your device. As you can see, it's just loading up here. Now keep in mind that this doesn't always work because sometimes the makers of the app want you to update to the latest version in order to log in or whatever. I think that's the way that it is with this. That's the way that it is with Google Sheets. So it depends. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't, but it's worth giving it a try if you have devices that are incompatible and that are compatible and you want to just, get some apps on the incompatible devices. So until next time, we will see you next time. Enjoy your older versions of apps.